In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix missing donation buttons in Please Donate. Now, the first thing you want to do is you want to make sure you actually have game passes or clothing. So Please Donate is only going to show game passes that you created and shirts, t-shirts, and pants, not free items. So if you don't have any game passes, then you need to make some. So in order to make a game pass, what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu, select on create right over here. Then it is going to bring you to an option that looks like this, and where it says experiences, please go ahead and select on this option over here. So every Roblox account is going to have one experience by default. So it is going to say your Roblox name followed by place. So please go ahead and select on it. Then afterwards, go to the left menu and you want to scroll down until you see this option that says monetization. Then select on passes right over here. And if you haven't already, please go ahead and select on this button that says create a pass and make a game pass right over here. However, if you already have a game pass or you already made a piece of clothing and you realize that it's still not showing up, then what could be happening is that you don't have the item on sale. In order for it to appear on Please Donate, the item needs to be on sale so that people are actually able to send you Robux and stuff like that. So as you're able to tell for this one over here, how to make a game pass, this one, it is currently offline. So let's go ahead and make it online. So you want to click on the game pass right over here, go to left menu, select on sales. Then where it says price, make sure that item for sale is turned on and go ahead and enter in a price that you guys want. So go ahead and just enter it in, then select on save changes just like so, then select on proceed. So even if you made all the game passes and they're on sale, sometimes things may not still be working. So in that instance, what you need to do is you need to go ahead and return back over to this menu, then go to this section over here that says configure, press on settings, and then you want to scroll down until you see this section that says privacy, and you want to make sure that it is set to public, because if it is set to private, then that means your game passes are not going to be displayed to the public. So you want to double check that public is actually selected right over here. The next thing to take in mind is Roblox delays. Now this right over here is super common because Roblox takes some time to update. So if you just created a game pass, please wait 2 to 10 minutes in order for it to be updated. If you made a piece of clothing, that might take a little while, between 5 to 60 minutes. And if you just made a fresh new account, that is going to take a little bit longer. It can take up to 1 day sometimes. So you may need to just go ahead and wait it out. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.